So hello, yesterday I have recorded my video, and that video I have noticed that the video consists of lot of expressions and smiles, and I hope this video is not consist that much of expression and smiles, because I only want to express my emotions, not the smiles a lot or something like that. I'm not here to impress anyone. I am only there to improve myself and not more. And yes, I have a story about my hair, so I think I should start by there only, not talking about here and there things. So last year in 2025, I have shaved my hair not once, not twice. It's about three times. And after that, also cutted my hair to be in the shape that you are seeing this, and the shape which I cut it for is not going well. So I suppose that, or I decided that I not cut my hair again, and I want it to grow because I'm not able to handle it or style it so perfectly, and it's going to be a harsh summer in north, because the pollution and the war things, you all people know about the war, and it feels like so scary that in this situation, when the US and Israel are supposed to do wars with other countries, I think, in my opinion, it's no longer that China can do it upon India. It's my opinion. It's not uh, uh, supposed to be a government opinion or other thing. It's my opinion. Okay, this is the other thing which I started talking. This is what I am. I started talking about things which are not in so far relevant for the topic, but for me, because it's a important thing. Everyone has a opinion about that, and it's important to have. Okay, set aside. Okay, about my hair. So last year I shaved, and that time, sorry, that time many people asked me about why I shaved my hair. Is this any problem with me, or the disease I am suffering from? Many other things, but not. It's purely my choice to shave my head, which I have decided in whe- uh, when I am a teenager, because everyone means the boys are doing that too. Whenever they feel like there is a lot of summer or hot, they are feeling, they shave their head. And I suppose that how they feel, that by shaving their head, how they feel that it's feeling cooling to themselves, or I just want to experience what it's after shaving the head looks like and other things. So that's why, for the enthusiast of feeling that how the heads feel like, how the body feels like when you have shaved your head, so that's why I've done it, and it's purely my choice. It's not a force thing. Not even my parents think that I can do this kind of in their mind shit. And okay, so I think I should record it in parts, because when I supposed to record it in one video, it consists of 1 hour or maybe long up to 2 hours. So I think I should record it in part things. So stay tuned with me or stay watching me. And also, one thing I want to tag, that if your people are watching this video, do comment for the improvement which I can do to improve the recording skill or speaking skill in English. So okay, I think I should end up here. Okay, thank you guys.